Hey Matt, what are you doing?
I'm just watching Miss Taffy's latest videos.
On this episode,
Good morning.
Hey.
Sorry about the wait.
No, that's all good.
Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's your girl, Miss Taffy, just like the candy. And around here, we chase after new deals year round. Today, we doing a local pickup here at my storage, and then we going to the BINS. Come on, let's go. Ooh, I hate when it's dark like this. Okay. Ooh, boogeyman.
I paid $10 for this fan at a yard sale and it sold for $89.99 on eBay. Do you guys offer local pickup on your items? Comment down below, let me know.
Good morning.
Hey.
Sorry about the wait.
No, that's all good. Thank you so much.
No problem. I think I just need to scan on your phone.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Think about it.
Got it.
All right. Thank you
All
so
right,
much. Have a
sweet.
great day.
You too.
First thing first, I love going to the BINS with the shoes and hard goods. I spotted this Wilson tennis racket bag that should sell for around 15 to 20 bucks. Then I spotted this Bill Voss vintage golf bag. Y'all know I love picking those up. Even with the damage, I should be able to sell it for around 70 bucks.
I'm sorry. Can I grab this one?
Y'all, I thought he was taking my bag.
I'm sorry. Can I grab this one? Uh-oh, it's stuck in there. Thank you so much, sir.
I will be able to sell this record bag for about 15 bucks as well. Wow, guys, I couldn't believe that these UGG man slippers were just sitting there. They were in good condition and didn't need any work, so I should be able to sell them for around 35 bucks. I thought it was my lucky day and I found some more UGG boots, but I was wrong. You can never go wrong with t-shirts. Rest in peace, Kobe. I should be able to get around 12 bucks for that t-shirt. And around 12 to 15 for this Dave Sharp shirt. I also spotted this red Carhartt shirt, size 3XL. There was also this blue one in the same bin. Last but not least, this gray Carhartt. I believe the same person donated all three. They were all 3XL. Question, do you guys wash your clothes before you sell them? But needless to say, I washed all 3 shirts and I'm listing them all together for 35 bucks. I went to this BINS at the perfect time. I was able to shop in peace and I loved that. I spotted this one Timberland boot, but I couldn't find the other boot. But I learned my lesson. Just in case an amputee needs this one boot, I purchased it and I'll sell it for around 15 bucks. Wait, is that Louis Vuitton at the Goodwill BINS? It was fake, so I tossed it back. It's safe to say that she is fully stocked.
Alright, Candy Crew. So I asked the gentleman, he said everybody was gone by the time I got there. So at this outlet, I'm gonna come like around 1 because I don't like the crowds. I need to be able to shop in peace. And to be honest, I wasn't supposed to be stopping today anyway, but I spent $17, popped my collar, and I'm gonna make some money.
I spotted a Savers, so I stopped. How many of you guys stop when you see a thrift store? I snagged this new Stanford hat. They wanted $5.99, but I had a coupon. That should sell for around 20 bucks. And this vintage Sony, $2.99. I should be able to get 75 bucks for that. And I spent a total of $6.77. What a deal.
Candy Crew, I appreciate y'all support more than y'all ever know. Until the next video, keep hustling, staying positive. TTYL.
Hour later.
Matt!
Yes.
Hey, the porch looks great.
I got everything listed fast. So now I can finish the videos. And the taffy.